Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And on this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can add tags and hashtags on your YouTube shorts so you can gain more views on them. And also on this video I'll be explaining the benefits of adding tags and hashtags on these videos. Then lastly I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can get trending or rather hot hashtags and tags to be using on your YouTube shorts so you can be generating more views massively on your YouTube shorts. And please, if you have any question at the end of this video, please drop it in the comment section. I'll reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Alright, when it comes to adding hashtags and tags on your YouTube shorts, I'm quickly going to show you guys how it's done on my channel right now. So when it comes to adding hashtags, you can actually add hashtags when you're about to post. All you have to do is just add the hashtags on your description or add it on your title. So just make sure your hashtags are actually 3 or 4. Don't make it too much, or else you are going to confuse the YouTube algorithm. So when it comes to adding these hashtags, I've already posted my video, so I'm just going to show you exactly where these hashtags will be. So let me show you guys on this video. So as you can see, the hashtags are actually on my title. So that's just how it's done. So you just simply put your hashtags on your title. Then when it comes to your tags, all you have to do is just scroll down. You have to scroll down. If you want to use tags, you have to post the short first. So once you've posted the short, you come here and edit your short. So once you click on edit, all you have to do is just scroll below and then you see this section called tags. So here you'll be able to add all the tags that actually describe your videos. Sorry, I went to Instagram by mistake. So in here you'll be able to add all the tags that actually describe your video. So that's just how it's done, and it's actually quite simple. And when it comes to looking for hot hashtags or rather trendy hashtags to use for your video, it's actually simple. You just have to do a little bit of research. So all you have to do is just come to YouTube, search for the title that you are about to use on your video, and then you look for people that have actually posted that kind of video that you are about to post, and make sure that their video are actually trending. So don't go and start looking for people that their video are not trending. So once you search for your title, look for people that their videos are trending, that their videos are doing successful on YouTube. So all you have to do is just go into their video and look at the hashtags that they are using. So you can just take like two from two different videos, like two hashtags from video one, then two hashtags from video two, and together you have 4 hashtags to use on your video. So that's just how it's done. So let me show you guys a quick example. So let me say something like how to screenshot or laptop. So what you have to do, you can see this one had 10 million views. This one had 11 million views. This one have 12k views. So you can just go to anyone. Let me see this one and look for anybody that actually has hashtags. As you can see, this one has an hashtag. So you can actually see the hashtag that she used. She used Windows. She used screenshots. So it's just like that. So you just have to come here, look for people that their video are already doing really well on YouTube, and then just take some hashtag from them and use them on your video so that your video can also do successful. So it's just like that. On YouTube, you have to, you have to learn every day, and you have to think smart, think out of the box. So you don't have to just everything you have to be thinking about your thinking what you can do, like what hashtag you can use. No, sometimes you just have to do research, look for what people have already used that is working for them, and use it for yourself so you can also be successful on YouTube. So it's just like that. When it comes to the benefits of adding tags and hashtags on your YouTube videos, it is actually super important to use the right tags and also to use the right hashtags on your YouTube video, because what this does is that it actually helps the YouTube algorithm to understand what your video is all about. Because when it comes to tags have to do with adding searchable words onto your videos. When you add those searchable words on your videos, it helps the YouTube algorithm to know who they are to show your videos to when they are actually searching on them on YouTube. And when it comes to hashtag, using hashtag, when you use the wrong hashtag, it's definitely bad on your video. So it's always good to use the right hashtag so YouTube understand the right people to give those videos, because they're actually going to check the type of people that watch the videos that are on those hashtags that you are using. So if you have to use the right hashtags, they will actually share your video to people that watch videos under that hashtags. So if you are using the wrong hashtags, the wrong people will be watching your videos and they won't be engaging on your videos in the right way, which will lead to YouTube thinking that your video is not interesting, and then they will stop pushing your videos out to more people. So it's actually important that when you are posting, use the right hashtags and also use the right tags on your videos. This will actually help you get a lot of views, a whole lot of views. I've been using it on my channel for a long time. I'm actually new on YouTube, and I've been seeing a couple of views on my videos. And when you are using your hashtag, please make sure that your hashtag, you are using just 3 or 4 hashtags. Don't use up to like 10 hashtags. That's actually going to be messy, and it's actually going to confuse the YouTube algorithm. So just use 3 or 4 hashtags that actually relates to your video, and it's actually going to help you in the long run. Please note that hashtags are always supposed to be in your description or on your title. So that's where you can put your hashtags. Then when it comes to your tags, they have a separate place where you can add tags. So tags have their own separate place, and then hashtags can be in description or title. So please do not go and start adding hashtags in the place where you are supposed to put tags. It doesn't work that way. Or you start putting tags in the place where you are supposed to put hashtags. So always make sure you are putting them in the right place and not in the wrong place. To get the correct tags, or rather trending tags to use on your YouTube shorts, please watch the videos that I'm going to suggest at the end of this video, so you can use that to learn on how you can get trending tags for your video. And when it comes to tags, when we're talking about tags, what tags actually means, all it means is just like searchable words that people can use to look for your video. So when you are posting your video, tags just have to do with like, what do you think people will search for on YouTube when they are looking for your video. Like, let me say your video is about baking a cake. Definitely people will come to YouTube and they will search for how to bake a cake, how to bake a sweet cake, how to bake cake easily, how to bake cake in just 10 minutes. You see, so those are tags that people will actually search for when looking for cake or cake tutorials on YouTube. So when it comes to any video that you are actually about to post, you're going to have to like use a lot of tags that actually represent things that people will be searching for on YouTube to look for your video. What that does is that it's going to help the YouTube algorithm know exactly where to put your video and the type of people to show your video. So when people are searching for those kind of tags, or rather those kind of words on YouTube, YouTube will understand that okay, you place that on your description of your video, and then is going to show them your video to watch. So that is why it's also important for you to use the correct tags on your video, because if you are to use something wrong, YouTube will actually going to go and show your video to the wrong people because of your tags. And when those people watch your video, they will feel that this video is not what I'm looking for. So they are either going to watch it halfway, or they won't even watch it at all. And that will make YouTube think that your video is not interesting, and then they will stop pushing it out there for more people to watch. So that's just what YouTube tags is all about. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video. And please, by the end of this video, you are going to see 2 videos. One is actually how to install vidIQ for mobile, and the second video is how to install vidIQ for PC. So please watch one of these videos to learn on how you can install vidIQ, so you can use vidIQ to start getting trending and hot tags to be using for your videos. What this actually is going to do for you is that if you are using the right hot tags and trendy tags for your video, you're actually going to start getting way more views than before. So please do well to watch one of these videos and learn on how to install vidIQ, so you can be using it to gain a lot of views and traffic on your videos. And please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected to my channel, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. We learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.